Hey guys, this is Adam with Fire Alarmpedia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a NAC bypass on a Mircom FX-2000 addressable fire alarm system. So you'll go menu, go to bypass, then you'll go device circuit, enter password for level 2, here goes. So loop 0, then I'll do device 001, here, now I'll hit enter. And that NAC is now bypassed. See, we have second floor bypassed. So now to re-enable it, I'll go menu, bypass, device circuit. Same thing again. Enter 0, 1. Yep, unbypassed. And there we go. Back to the way it was.